us up some dinner. Get Rogie some water. Got one of these little alcohol burner stoves. Let's see how that does. Like, I think I'm gonna have the ramen. Alright, we'll let that boil up a little bit. About to drop in the ramen. Camping with Lance. Awesome. About ready to eat. Taking my trash with me, of course. Let's see, what's Rogue gonna eat? Beef stew? That's what you're getting, baby girl. How's it looking in there? So close, so close. So close. Beautiful day, about 50 degrees, I'd say. Cannot complain a bit. Broke one of my zippers earlier. That was kind of upsetting, to say the least. Can't tell if those dogs are getting closer or staying where they are. Hopefully they're staying where they are. Yeah, me and Rogue were, I don't know, 60 yards behind me, and people came up the trail. She started barking, and I don't know if they didn't hear her bark or just thought it was farther away, but they kept coming up the trail. They were being loud, laughing. Then they got quiet, hunkered down, sat there, and let them pass on. And a few minutes went by, and I could see them to my left up on the trail. So good thing I didn't get too invested into that spot. I came a little deeper into the forest this way. I ran into the road, so that's why you can hear all the traffic. All right, let's get this ramen out of here. Not too bad. There we go. Stir that up, let it sit while we get Rogues cooking. Heat hers up a little bit for her. What kind of doggy daddy would I be if I didn't? 1 month sober. Thankfully, I have a wonderful wife, supporting family. I turned 30 a week ago, a little over a week. Told my mom a year ago that I'd have my shit together before I was 30. Here I am doing it. If I never stick to a goal that I set for myself, then I won't ever amount to anything. So I gotta start there. I'll drink to that. Alright, Rogue, let's check that food out. No, yours is ready, girl. That's what I need. My leathers, my Timberlands. Rogue, you spoiled puppy. How warm is it? Perfect. Rogue, come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Noodles are perfect. Fire's out. Rogue cleaned up her plate. She's just relaxing, on point, licking her chops. Alright, I'm gonna munch down on this and kind of get this place cleaned up a little bit, and I'll get right back with you. Okay. Here's the waterfall. It's really dried up and low. Usually the whole thing's wet. I guess maybe I've never been out here in the winters, so could be just low in the winter. I don't know. Kind of crazy. Why does this all look so different? Like, I can't figure it out. And I know that tree back there's new and fallen, but like here, like I don't know where we used to jump from. It doesn't make sense. It's just like an incline, rocks, and the beach is no longer. I don't know. There's waterfall number 2 under an old stone arch bridge. And there is the new bridge, the one you cross on the highway. Number 3. I'll get a shot from the other side too. This one's just really neat over here. Awesome. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. We've got us a nice little fire going on here. Good and warm. Minimal smoke. Very minimal smoke. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's Rogue's butt back there. Living it up. Getting dry, getting warm. I think I've got me a cozy little spot here. Log table. Seat kind of thing. Brought my own seat. Rogue and I kind of stomped the area down a little bit. Yeah, this creek goes back a ways. I don't know if I didn't go far enough or if I missed it already, but there is another kind of dry waterfall on this creek run or runoff, whatever you want to call it. I might hike up the hill there and see what I can see, because I know it's here. I've been there. I remember how far back it is, but I'll meet you up there. There's my camp down there. Yeah, I'm not seeing the waterfall. It's got to be back the other way. All right, back down to camp. Kind of pack things up. Look for that waterfall. All right, everybody say goodbye to the fire, and I'm gonna pack up and move spots. My wife's gonna come get me around 5 o'clock. It's about 4. I don't even think it's 4 yet, but yeah, say goodbye, fire. Crash. She found the fire. Alright, headed out of that second spot. Sun's going down. Wife's gonna be picking me up in an hour or less. I'm gonna go find this other waterfall I was talking about, just so I know I'm not fucking crazy. So that's where I'm headed now. Assuming I find it, I'll take pictures, video rather. But if I find it, you'll see it. I don't know. Either I'm in the wrong tributary, or I didn't go back far enough. Coming back up to the highway bridge, but this time I'm on top of the cliff. Let's see if I can get up under there. If it's too dangerous, I'll back out. Yeah, let's see. Bad idea. Rogie, Miss Roger, ran out in front of me, or before me, and just her out there was scaring me. She started sliding. I thought I was gonna have to carry her out of the bottom of the canyon, or the gorge. It's not a canyon. I was nervous for sure. My wife saying they're about probably half an hour out, so I kind of head back to the bridge where she dropped me off. I wanted to build a chair or something, but fuck. If I get there in time, trying to hurry because if I get there in time, I'm gonna try and throw something together real quick for me. Yes, you guys. Hopefully I don't slip here. Gotta get in the water. The water. Just look. Just look at it. Beautiful. I'm crossing again. So hang on. Ooh, I guess I got a hole in my boot. Not good. Not good. You got a hole in your boot. Roger. Where'd Robe go? There she is. Guess I'm gonna scale this rock. There it went. Okay. Pull my pants up again. Here we are. Stone bridge with one of the waterfalls I showed you. I gotta go under it and climb up and cross it. So, yep, here we go. I'm gonna cross. Goodbye. The old stone bridge. I'm headed up the hill to the old stone bridge where I crossed over to come in. Wife is probably about, I'd say less than 10 minutes away for sure. So I'm just gonna venture up here and kind of mosey around. I didn't pack my chair up, so just walk up here, post up, and wait for her. This is where we go up. Here we are on top of the bridge. I don't know why people have to vandalize, but they do. Let's go read this sign. Can't remember how old the bridge is, but it continued service until 1949, when the highway crossed over it. It's the widest arch span of any stone arch bridge in Illinois. It was constructed over 100 years ago. It's 30 feet above the creek. Awesome, but crazy. And then people have to vandalize it, but just got the text from wife, so I'm gonna head out. This is the end of this. Roger, did you have fun? I thought so.